So I'm still just driving through this windy dirt road, middle of nowhere. Still don't have cell service, still haven't passed anyone else. But look at this cool little waterfall thing I found. That's the most exciting thing I've seen all day, by far. Well, after about 2.5 hours of driving this morning, most of which was on a windy dirt road, I finally made it to some kind of civilization. We're here in 10 Mile, Oregon. This is their little store, convenience store. So I stopped and grabbed some ice to throw in the cooler, and there is cell service here, so now I'm gonna look at the maps and figure out where I wanna go next. I don't know if I'm gonna keep heading kind of towards Crater Lake, or maybe there's somewhere else I wanna go before then, but yeah, at least I got cell service so I can research that now and then, you know, figure out where I'm going. I think I found somewhere to sit at and do some editing at for a little bit. This little coffee shop here called The Atom. I'm in Glide, Oregon right now. There's not really anything here other than this. I think they're only open till 2 and it's about 11:30 right now. So yeah, I'm gonna head in there, take my laptop and probably hang out until 2, but we'll see. Hopefully they have some decent seating. I'm not sure how much more I'm gonna film today. I didn't really do a whole lot today other than edit a video and then upload the video. Both took quite a while. It's about 5 o'clock now and I think I just wanna find somewhere to go walk around and stretch out a bit. I know I've been saying this each day that I'm probably gonna go to Crater Lake National Park tomorrow. That is the plan. We'll see if it happens. But I think I'm gonna start fairly early tomorrow like I did today and head into the park to kind of, you know, go drive around and see what it's like. I really haven't done any research, so I know nothing about it. I know there's a very large lake that I want to get into, and I know there's some hikes that I want to do. But I figured I'll kind of just figure that out when I get there. I'll get there and drive around, and yeah, see what I want to do. But yeah, we'll see. I might end up filming more today. Maybe, maybe not. If I don't, this is it for today. If I do, we'll see.